let's use the example of vegetable platter, right? If you're not going to be cooking things like celery, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, right?
Absolutely.
Let's choose those 4. If you're not going to be cooking those, but you're only making a platter for like 4 people, you might just want to buy it, because a head of cauliflower, a bunch of broccoli, a bag of carrots, and a bunch of celery is going to make you a platter that probably could feed more towards 8 to 10.
Yeah, for sure.
So if you're looking at that, your budget, you kind of guesstimate budget-wise, which is the better option. Now, we chose one that our baked brie is more of, I wouldn't say it's much more expensive because it's really not, but it's a little bit more than our second option, which is super easy, and it's really just 2 ingredients. It's 2, but then you also pick your crackers or whatever you want to put it on. You have cream cheese, and you have some type of spread or jam or something that you were wanting to put it on.
Exactly.
You could use apple butter. I've done pumpkin butter before.
Right.
Those are both good options. You could also do like a jalapeno pepper jam, or some type of relish,
or something as simple as honey.
Ironically,
like a local honey that you can get and put on top of cream cheese, and just that alone is such an amazing flavor.
And it's super simple, but it's got that sweet and savory aspect, and then you get your crunch from the cracker and things like that. So it's totally on a budget, and it's good.